Hey guys, this one is great for someone who has neck tension or is limited with their cervical rotation to one side, and just to really teach them how to breathe in the upper parts of the thorax at the back. So we'll start in a hook-lying position. You'll put a book or two underneath your feet and a yoga block in between your knees, but don't squeeze it too hard. Feel your whole feet on a platform, and from here I want you to tuck your pelvis slightly so you feel your hamstring. Your whole lower back should be on the ground. From here I want you to grab a light weight. I wouldn't go more than 4 kilograms with this one, and just reach it toward the ceiling as you keep your whole foot contact and slight tuck at the pelvis. We'll be inhaling and rotating our arm out as we look to the same side. Exhaling, rotating back and looking at the ceiling. Reaching my arm toward the ceiling throughout. Exhaling long as I wanted to fog a mirror. Give it a try and let me know how it feels.